CMS. Today is Thursday, October 15th, 2020. We need to stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, today's menu for Thursday is rotini pasta, garlic breadsticks, steamed corn, side salad, mixed fruit, and fresh fruit. Choice B, Bosco sticks. Now the breakfast for Thursday is Pop-Tart with cheese stick, strawberry cup, and milk. We move on to Friday's menu. We've got choice A for Friday, which is breakfast for lunch. We got cheese omelet with cinnamon roll, hash brown rounds, fresh broccoli with ranch dressing, blushing pears, or fresh fruit. We move on to choice B, Sauce's Pizza. Now, for breakfast on Friday, we have chocolate donuts, diced pears, and milk. Now, we've got Beards for Bicycles. That's right, the big bicycle giveaway happening in Seville. Make sure you're there October 18th. Where, you may ask? Well, the Village Hall in Seville, that's where. On top of, you want to be there, you want to get there from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. They're going to be handing out tickets. It's going to be a little drive-through. And then at 12:01, they're going to be calling 12 specific ticket numbers. If your number gets called, you receive a new bike. On top of that, Walmart has supplied bicycle helmets for you too. Now, we move on to the Socktober Drive. Man, there's some crazy socks today. I just witnessed it. I'm taping this on Wednesday, so I'm a day ahead of everybody right now, but I saw some great socks on Crazy Sock Day. On top of that, you guys are turning in lots of socks, which is awesome. Now remember that this drive is going to end Friday. So there's a couple teachers, a couple home bases that are pulling in a lot of socks. And we're not that far away from breaking the record. So please bring in those socks. It's for a great cause. All right. We now are moving to shout-outs. And I'm looking at something that's kind of cool. Little. All right, there we are. Shout-outs. All right, so now the shout-out goes to Camden Carter for being responsible and accurate in her work. Great job on a well-written response using the ACE method, the ACE method. We now move on. 7th grade shout-out is Kira Hossington. Is always positive and helpful to students. Congratulations. Now the staff shout-out goes to Miss Wonder. Joined our team and was ready to roll. She works hard to help students and has added so much to the team. Quote of the day: doing nothing is a great way to change nothing. So doing nothing is a great way to change nothing. Students, remember your Colt pride. Be responsible, be respectful, and be safe. All right, everybody, that is a wrap for Thursday, October 15th. Hopefully you're having a great Thursday morning. Be blessed, Cloverleaf.